हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सुग्यान स्टोरी पॉइंट यूट्यूब चैनल को आपण मानकु स्वागत। आज आम 15 डिसेम्बर 2024 रे होइथिबा जे ओडिशा हाईकोर्ट रो जूनियर क्लार्क कम कपिस्ट रे आसीथिबा जनरल नॉलेज आसीथिबा टोटल 50 टी जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन विषय रे आज आम डिस्कस करिबा। तो फ्रेंड्स, ओडिशा हाईकोर्ट रो जूनियर क्लार्क रे आसीथिबा आज रो प्रथम प्रश्न हेउची In which year was the first session of the Indian National Congress held? Correct answer is option number B, 1885. Next question टी आसीथिला which is the smallest union territory of India by area? Correct answer is option number B, Lakshadweep. Name of the only floating national park in the world? Correct answer is option number B, Keolanleo National Park. Which rivers form the largest delta in the world? Correct answer is option number D, Ganges Brahmaputra. The black soil is best suited for the cultivation of which crop? Correct answer is option number C, cotton. Next question, who was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha? Correct answer is option number A, Ganesh Vasudev Mavankar. Who is the known as father of modern Odia literature? Correct answer is option number A, Fakir Mohan Senapati. Who presided over a joint session of parliament? Correct answer is option number C, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. What is the longest dam in India? Correct answer is option number C, Hirakud Dam. Which part of the Indian Constitution deal with the directive principle of state policy? Correct answer is option number B, part IV. What is the minimum age for being elected as the President of India? Correct answer is option number B, 35 years. What is the full form of CRR in banking? Correct answer is option number B, cash reserve ratio. Which Indian economist is known for the concept of the Green Revolution? Correct answer is option number C, MS Swaminathan. What is the primary function of platelets in the human body? Correct answer is option number C, clotting of blood. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Correct answer is option number D, mitochondria. Which acid is present in the vinegar? Correct answer is option number C, acetic acid. Which planet is known as the red planet? Correct answer is option number C, Mars. The Garba dance is associated with which Indian state? Correct answer is option number B, Gujarat. Name the festival celebrated at the Sun Temple in Odisha. Correct answer is option number B, Konark Dance Festival. The term Operation Flood is associated with which sector? Correct answer is option number B, dairy production. What is the largest gland in the human body? Correct answer is option number C, liver. Which sports is associated with the Ryder Cup? Correct answer is option number B, golf. Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a triple century in Test cricket? Correct answer is option number C, Virendra Sehwag. Name the first Indian to win a individual gold medal at the Olympic. Correct answer is option number B, Abhinav Bindra. Which spacecraft was the first to land on the moon? Correct answer is option number A, Apollo 11. Name the first Indian satellite. Correct answer is option number C, Aryabhatta. Name of the largest desert in India. Correct answer is option number A, Thar desert. How many fundamental rights are there mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option number B, 6. Which organization is responsible for regulating the stock market in India? Correct answer is option number B, SEBI. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Correct answer is option number B, nitrogen. Name of the smallest bone in the human body. Correct answer is option number B, steps. Which city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Correct answer is option number C, Bengaluru. Which state is the longest producer of coffee in India? Correct answer is option number C, Karnataka. What is the tenure of Rajya Sabha members? Correct answer is option number C, 6 years. What does GST stand for? Correct answer is option number C, Goods and Service Tax. What is the SI unit of force? Correct answer is option number C, Newton. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? Correct answer is option number C, vitamin C. Who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option number C, Shaktikant Das. Which movement was started by Mahatma Gandhi after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is option number B, non-cooperation movement. How many types of emergency are mentioned in the Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option number B, 3. Name the author of Gitanjali. Correct answer is option number A, Rabindranath Tagore. What does ISRO stand for? Correct answer is option number B, Indian Space Research Organization. In which year did India win its first Cricket World Cup? Correct answer is option number C, 1983. Which ancient name of Odisha is mentioned in the Mahabharata? Correct answer is option number A, Kalinga. The Dhauli inscription near Bhubaneswar is associated with which emperor? Correct answer is option number B, Ashoka. Which is the largest mineral produced in Odisha? Correct answer is option number C, iron ore. When was the Odisha province formed as a separate state based on linguistic identity? Correct answer is option number A, 1st April 1936. Which temple in Odisha is known as the White Pagoda? Correct answer is option number A, Jagannath Temple. Name of the traditional dance form performed during the Ratha Yatra in Odisha? Correct answer is option number B, Gotipuo. In which year was UNESCO established? Correct answer is option number B, 1945. तो फ्रेंड्स यह थिला काली जो 15 डिसेम्बर 2024 रे ओडिशा हाईकोर्टर जो जूनियर क्लार्क कम कॉपिस्टर एग्जाम होइतिला सेथिरे जो जनरल नॉलेज रो सब क्वेश्चन आसीथिला 50 टी क्वेश्चन ता हमें डिस्कस करी सारिले एबे फ्रेंड्स एही पुरी एजुकेशनल वीडियो रो अपडेट आपण माने जदी पाइबा को चाहंती तेबे आपण माने आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करि नियंतु जहा फल रे आमे एजुकेशनल वीडियो अपलोड करबा मात्रे ही आपण माने सर्वप्रथमे जानि परिबे।